Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the casing and cutting draw tape a little longer than the opening so you can finish the ends cleanly. Once done, fold the casing edge under and pin. This prevents the tape from twisting. Insert a safety pin into the tape tip and compress the pin so it slides smoothly. Move deliberately. Small pushes and gentle scrunching keep the fabric feeding. Make sure to keep the tape flat so it won't fold over inside the channel. Now you feed the taped pin through the casing while holding the garment so fabric doesn't bunch. As you push, alternate between scrunching the casing with your guiding hand and using the other hand to feed. This prevents twists and eases friction. If you hit resistance, reverse slightly and re-angle the pin because forcing causes jams. Make sure the tape exits evenly. If one side bunches, pull back a bit and smooth the fabric. Then continue feeding until the tape comes out the other end. Finish by overlapping tape ends about 1 inch and either sew them securely or attach a cord stopper so the tape won't slip. Once secured, test by pulling both sides to confirm smooth movement and equal tension. If the tape still twists, untwist and re-anchor with a small tacking stitch on both sides. Troubleshooting: if it gets stuck, don't yank. Open the casing seam slightly at the problem area, locate the pinch point, then free the tape, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.